Application of trigonometry, class 10, chapter 12, exercise number 12.2. Here given a question, 12.2 exercise, first problem. A TV tower stands vertically on the one side of the road. A TV tower. Suppose this is my TV tower. Say some AB. It stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower, this is my point, say some O, opposite to the TV tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is my angle of elevation. Say O. This is how many degrees is given? 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point. 10 meters from away from this point. Say some O dash. This is my O and this is my O dash. This is 10 meters away from the point. On the line joining the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Again, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. Suppose, just assume it, this is my road. This is my road and this is the distance between two observations, 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Once again I am telling, a TV tower stands vertically on the one side of the road. This is my TV tower. AB is equals to TV tower. That's all. Its height, say some h. This is say some h. OB is equals to road. OB is equals to road. The width of the road will be some d. That's all. This is my first angle of elevation. Makes a right angle triangle by applying trigonometric ratios. By observing this one, consider right angle triangle ABO at B is equals to 90 degrees. This is very clear. This is 60 degrees. It's opposite side and it is my adjacent side. Opposite side, my adjacent side is nothing but tan. So tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side is h and adjacent side is d. I know tan 60 degrees value is root 3. So root 3 is equals to h by d. Therefore, root 3 into d is equals to h. Equation 1. Keep in mind. This is my. Now consider one more right angle triangle ABO dash. ABO dash. In right angle triangle ABO dash, comma, at angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Again, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is say with respect to 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side is h and my adjacent side is OB dash. OB dash is nothing but D plus 10. should write here better, I think so. The angle of elevation AO dash B. Angle AO dash B is equals to 30 degrees. This is the angle of elevation. Here also we write it down that angle 60 degrees. That's all. I know it. Tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to h by d plus 10. Here it is divided, will go that side. D plus 10 by root 3 is equals to h. Equation 2. By observing equation 1 and equation 2, h and h are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we get this part is equals to this part, because here h and here h are equal, therefore
both
LHS are equal. Root 3d is equals to d plus
are
10
10
by. Am I here? By cross multiplication we get root 3 to root 3. 3d is equals to d plus 10 and d is 3d minus d. It is plus d. We go that side, minus d. That is equals to. Then 2d is equals to 10 and d is equals to 10 by 2, because it is multiplying. We go this side. We divide 5 times d is equals to 5. Therefore, my width of the road is 10 meters. Now we can find height of the tower. See here, I know d value 10. D value is how much? 5 meters. So 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3 is the height of the tower. Can I write it down here? See here,
Yes.
h is equals to root 3 into d, that is equals to root 3 into 10, that is also can written as 10 root 3.
Sir, 5. Root 3 into 5.
Sorry, my d value is 5. Sorry. 5 and 5
Root
root 3 meters. You should write it down. Therefore, height of the tower is equals to 5 root 3. D is nothing but what?
3.
Width of the road. D is equals to width of
The road equals to 5 meters.
5
Meters.
Very good. Oh.